Hi, my name is Vinayak Mathur and I'm back with another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to customize the user interface in Adobe Photoshop CC 2017. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing because in this few months, I'll be continuously posting video tutorials regarding Adobe Photoshop, Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro. So if any of those are the softwares which you are looking to learn in the near future, consider subscribing to this channel. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with anybody you know in your family or friends who can be benefited from this video. Let's get started by opening Photoshop. This can take anything from 30 seconds to 1 minute depending on the processor or the machine you're using. I'm using a Windows 10, 16 GB RAM and 4 GB of GeForce GTX 860M graphics card. So this should be pretty quick. So this is how Adobe Photoshop looks. With the new CC versions, Adobe has released something known as the start screen or the splash screen, which technically takes more time. And so this is how the splash screen looks. So quickly let's create a new window or the project, whatever you want to call it. We don't really need to be taken care of what size do we require, what resolution do we require. We can simply choose anything and create. So this is your workspace where you'll do anything and everything inside of Photoshop CC. So to start with, Adobe allows you to customize the color for your user interface. Like this one is probably dark gray or towards black. So you can, if you don't like this, Adobe gives you 4 options. So what you can do is go to Edit, Preferences, and then go to Appearance or Interface, and this will show the Appearance tab. They have just rearranged the tabs after getting into the CC version, so that created this confusion. But I have currently chosen this dark gray. You can go to something like light gray, a more towards whiter side, and a pure white, depending on your choice. But if you're working on dark, I'll prefer you to go with these 2 options as they would be better for your eyesight. So I'll just return back to dark black. You can select the borders and customize. That basically means is if I just minimize this, there should be a drop shadow border in the standard screen mode and the full screen with menus. That is, if you just focus somewhere here, there is this blurriness, that is the drop shadow. You can just go and do none. You can also move around with the font size, which is tiny, small, medium, large. And what will this change is this font size or the size of this text throughout the software. Wherever you see text, that will be changed with this font size. And UI scaling depends on if you are using anything like 4K monitors or 8K monitors and you want to do multiple softwares. You can do auto scaling or 100% or whatever you want to size you prefer. You can do auto scaling or the UI scaling. And you can also choose the highlight color as default or blue. So you just saw the color change of this highlighting box. I can go with default, which is more towards teal or the brighter side of green blue, towards something a more darker pale blue. So I can just close this for now and let's just zoom in back. So all these colors for these bars etc are the what is known as the UI color, which I just showed. Also, for the full screen mode, the color which was being shown over there, you can just rather than going to edit and do preferences and all that stuff, you can just right click over here, and that should open the same options. And you can do, like, if you have a brighter image, go with a black background or a darker one so that the image pops. If you have more dark image or the artwork you're working with, then go with something like light gray so your image would pop up. This is just for your preferences and how much focus you can drag onto your artwork rather than getting distracted by the user interface elements. And that is most of user interface customization. Also, one basic major thing is each of these menu, you can, if you zoom in, there is these dots, which mean you can just click and drag it and place it wherever you want, and that way you can just create custom looks. Like, I can just minimize this, and suppose I don't want library here, I'll just drag it over here. And if I don't even want all of these, I can just go and take this and put it here, and eventually just clear all this stuff. So that is all for user interface customization in Adobe Photoshop CC 2017. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with anybody you feel wants to learn this software, and if you're new to this channel, consider to subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.